Hey YouTube, I'm giving you another clock update again. And you make sure I'm not stepping on anything. Clock's about to sound in 2 minutes. I'm gonna push you to where you see the door open. Hold on. About right here. That'll work. And that way you can see the cuckoo go off. It'll go off in 2 minutes. There we go, I had to fix my hearing. Oh, I might want to close those. See those nice. I'm gonna close up here. So yeah, Cuckoo's going to sound soon. And 1 more minute. This time I have the room light on. So that way you can see the update. For you to see the surprise. It's probably going to jump scare me. I wish my sister's friend was going to see it go off. We didn't show her the video tomorrow on the YouTube. It's about sound. And then I'm going to turn the cuckoo off because I'm going to bed. We got church tomorrow. Should be any minute now. You'll see the update. I might... Oh! That's the update. We fixed it. That's the update, guys. We fixed it. Alright? So now I'm going to show you how to disable the hour chime again. Boom. Don't need it going off anymore. That's it. Alright. Hope you enjoyed it.